Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain why you get this charging on hold error. So guys, if you have upgraded your iPhone to the iOS 16, you might occasionally get a charging on hold error. Does this mean your iPhone charging unit is broken? No, of course not. It's an Apple built-in way of protecting your iPhone from a potential damage. So what does this charging on hold mean in iOS 16? How you can remove it, and after what should you do when you see it on your iPhone? You'll find these all answer in this video, so watch until end. So if you want to know about this charging on hold issue error. So why does iPhone say charging on hold? Charging on hold error is a message that pops up on your iPhone when temperature becomes higher than accepted while charging. You don't have to worry when you come across this message, as it usually goes away when the phone cools. Then your iPhone will continue to charge as usual. This fail-safe mechanism ships with iOS 16, and like emergency override, Apple puts it in a place to preserve battery life. The charging on hold error message comes up regardless of the source of the heat, and this might be a problem from your charger, iPhone, or any other external factor. So guys, there is no way to fix this problem, but this is for your own mobile safety. So make sure that your iPhone don't becomes too hot. When your iPhone temperature becomes hot, you will get this error on your iPhone. You don't have to panic if you see this error message on your iPhone. So make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.